Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about up family. And up family is the word in the vowel U. Yes, U, B, up, B, up family. So एक बार क्या हुआ? There was U and there was another alphabet called as B. And both of them were very sad, like this crying panda. And वो इतने दुखी क्यों थे? Because उनका कोई friend नहीं था. So one day both of them thought, why don't we become friends? So U and B, they shook their hands and they became friends. And since friends are family, so now U and B, they are family. It is a family word. U says up, B says up, up, family. And when they became friends, they danced and they partied. And when they did party करते वक्त उन्होंने बहुत सारे new words बनाए. Do you want to know about them? Okay, let's start. First word is bub. Bub. Bub is the name of a small tiger cub. So his name is Bub. Now what is this? This is the child, baby of a tiger, and the baby of the tiger is called as cub. Sound of C is K, cub. And what is this? This is a tub. इसमें हम लोग नाई करते हैं, बड़ा मजा आता है. I am sure आप भी बहुत enjoy करते हैं. So how do we pronounce tub? Tub, tub. Tub, tub. Tub. And what is this tiger cub doing? He is rubbing the towel. तो वो तौलिए से अपने आप को रगड़ के पोंछ रहा है. तो रगड़ने को इंग्लिश में कहते हैं रबिंग. सो वहीं से ये वर्ड आया है रब. Rub. So let's do a poem together. Bub is a cub. The cub is in the tub. The cub gets wet in the tub. The wet cub rubs. So ये जो bub है, जो कि एक cub है, वो tub में the cub was bathing, and after he bathed, he was wet with the water. And then what did he do? He used a towel to rub himself and dry himself, right? आप भी नहाने के बाद अपने आप को towel से rub करके सुखाते हैं ना? So that is called as a rub. So there are many words in this rhyme which are sight words. Please children, go and see sight words video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.